Welcome back to Digi CyberNet Academy, your quick stop to learn networking, cybersecurity, and digital marketing in just a few minutes. In this video, we will understand the types of computer networks, LAN, MAN, and WAN, explained with simple real-life examples. This is video number 2 in our networking series, so grab your attention for the next 3 minutes and let's make networking easy for you. First, let's quickly recap. What is a network? A computer network is a group of computers or devices connected together to share data, resources like printers or internet, and communicate efficiently. Now let's dive into the classification based on geographical area and size. Let's start with LAN, Local Area Network. A LAN is a network that connects computers within a small geographic area, like a home, office, or school. Real-life example: imagine you're in a computer lab with 20 computers. All are connected to one central device, a switch, and share a common internet connection and printer. This is a LAN. LAN is fast, secure, and cost-effective. It's mostly managed by one person or organization, like your IT department. Next is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. It's larger than a LAN and spans a city or large campus. It connects multiple LANs together. Real-life example: a university with multiple buildings across a city uses MAN to connect all departments, libraries, and labs into a single network. Another example: cable TV networks in a city use MANs to deliver channels to thousands of homes. MANs are usually owned and maintained by telecom companies or large organizations. Now let's look at WAN, Wide Area Network. This is the largest type of network. It covers countries or even continents and connects multiple LANs and MANs. Real-life example: the internet is the best example of a WAN. When you send an email from India to the US, it travels across different networks connected via satellites, fiber cables, and routers. That's WAN in action. WANs are often public or shared networks and need high-level security and management. Let's quickly recap the difference. LAN, small area like office or home. MAN, medium area like a city. WAN, large area like the world. All three help in sharing data, saving cost, and improving communication, but the scale, speed, and control vary. Hope this gave you a clear understanding of LAN, MAN, and WAN with simple examples. In our next video, we'll discuss network elements like switches, routers, hubs, and cables, the building blocks that power any network. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Digi CyberNet Academy.